My name is Drew Guys, and I am the machine maintenance technician and operator of the Conformal coating line. You know, circuit boards could fail for several reasons. One of the major reasons is the environment and the working conditions. Conformal coating is a simplified way that we protect the circuit board from contaminants and moisture. So this machine is important because it allows us to coat the circuit boards in a very specific way. Whether it be different heights of different components or certain things you do want coated or don't want coated, we are able to be very precise to make sure that we are meeting IPC standards and we are meeting the customer requirements. So for our customers, they have their circuit boards in a lot of harsh environments. Sometimes it could be underwater, sometimes it could just be where a lot of dust is. Basically anywhere in the environment, there is a threat to your circuit board as far as these contaminants. So for us to have this machine, it assures us and our customers that their circuit board is protected.